Hello, SilverDoorians around the world. We have a festive challenge for you.
You'll see that we have placed a special hamper in each of your offices. We want you to create the ultimate Christmas hamper which celebrates your city, your culture and your wonderful teams.
We've nominated some champions in each office to find 5 presents to put in your hampers. The winners will be the team that create the best hamper in the fastest time. The clock starts when the sleigh bells ring. Good luck!
Yeah, an American football. Yeah, we'll find some. We'll find something.
Any questions?
A lot of questions.
It's time to go.
Being excited. Really quite thinking what to buy.
Are we looking for Denver Broncos or Denver Nuggets?
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it's telling me the...
Is it that way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Where are we going now?
All right, that's affordable, isn't it? We got 4 stops. Then we'll stop opposite Hong Lim Complex.
Save the bag. There you go.
So it's
Oh yeah.
Nice, bro, nice.
Good job. Stop.
Hay que hacerse sorprendido y todo eso. Yo no sé, habrá que verlo, espérate.
Fabulous effort, everyone. We're delighted to announce that the winner of this year's Christmas competition is our Madrid team.
That's the avalanches. Wow.